Is this whole thing just this guy walking and staring at things?
Well, no, not all of it. There's some other stuff.
But most of it is just this guy walking and staring at things.
Look, Mr. Producer, when you gave me the green light on this project, you said I had total creative freedom.
I meant total creative freedom, except it has to be an action movie, like a superhero movie, or one of them spy movies with Tom Hanks, or a Western. That's what the people want.
Please, my whole life, I've wanted to create this movie. Besides, it's late in production. We can't just
Change it or it's canceled. Yeah, I'm sorry, but we're not looking for any action movies right now.
What? This is exactly what you said you wanted.
I wish that were true, but times have changed, son.
It's been one day.
One day can change everything. I just forgot about Hiroshima.
This is ridiculous.
Or that other city. I forget the name.
What could have possibly happened to you in one day?
I'm glad you asked. You see, I was watching a lot of porn last night, and it got me thinking, there's not really sex in movies anymore.
That's not even a little bit true.
We should be making movies like the good old days, before Hiroshima ruined everything.
You can turn it off.
Yeah, that's hot. Seriously, you can...
Hey, hurry, rewind.
I want to see those boobs some more.
Look, I don't want to move forward with this. You can go ahead and just cancel it.
After all that work, you're just giving up on your dream?